Frank Waters once said, "The vast sage desert undulates with almost imperceptible tides like the oceans." At first glance, this type of landscape may not be very scenic, but the longer I live in the area, and with more frequent visits out here, I've come to appreciate the beauty and variety of the terrain the high deserts here in eastern Oregon have to offer. When camping out here on a clear night, it's amazing how dark it gets and how many stars you can see. You may even get to hear a coyote or two.
I'm Steve Adams. I push pixels and frame rates for a living and go on adventures for fun. Join me as I travel the untamed path of vehicle-based adventure travel with Excursion Overland.